trade. Hey!
I'ma do shit my way.
One shot.
So you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Haste. Hello the Haste Masters, welcome again to another amazing video. So today we are going to flip this $8 to $1,000. This my friend's account. Initially it was $45 and then back to $8. So he told me to flip it to at least 200, but then I found an opportunity that can raise the account to 1,000. So why not? So before we jump into the video, they call me Dinox Tunji Khalifa, Tamara Mara, Govi Kashia, Michael Junior Panditing, Chief Inspector Breo, the Master IV. Now let us jump into the video. So with our $8, we have identified a trade on a GBPUSD. This is the pair that I like trading most because I've understood how it moves. Yeah. Now we have a drop here, and now we have our resistance ceiling there. Yeah. So once we have broken out, we wait for a retest, and now we have our lower base there. Yeah. Now that is a drop base, and then now we are waiting for a rally upwards. Yeah. So we are going to wait until this pullback is over, and then we are going now to enter the market with powerful lots here. Yeah. Because the account is too small, I'm going to start with a mini lot. A mini lot, I'm going to use a 0.01 lot. Yeah. Now I think now we are going to attack this market here. So the first our target is to raise this $8 to at least 30, 40, or to at least 50 there, or to 20, so that we can find another trade. So I have my powerful lots there. Thanks to this broker, you can open as many positions as you want. Yeah. So the link to this broker is in the description. Yeah. Yeah, so the link is in the description. Yeah, so I have entered with powerful positions there, because after a breakout we expect for a retest, and now after the retest is over, now we continue to the trend where it is heading to. Yeah. Okay, now after holding for quite a long time there, now we are quite in profits. You've seen we had a breakout from our resistance ceiling, and then a retest, and then now trade continuation. Yeah, now that is how we get this sniper entry there. Yeah, now after some times there, I think now the market is almost reaching to that the upper resistance. You can see from the left there where we have a big blue candle, we have a resistance from that area there. Yeah? Now we have flipped our first account from the 8 to 20. Yeah, remember we are still in a drawdown because initially this account was $45. Yeah, we have again another entry on gold. Now this is the following day, we have another entry in gold, and I'm going to enter with powerful lot. Okay, and then I'm going to explain why I'm entering this trade. Yeah, so this is an area of super resistance. So the market has been resisting from this area for quite a long time. Yeah, so I'm going to place my support floor here, so that I can highlight for you where this market has been reacting off from. Yeah, so you've seen how the market has been reacting, and the market is unable to break below that our support floor. Remember, we only trade with a resistance ceiling and support floor, yeah, among other concepts. Yeah, so we are going to target those highs there. Yeah, so this is a $20 account, so we have entered here with powerful lots. Yeah, so we are going to add others. Now this is a full margin trade. Yeah, so this is a full margin trade, and we are going to target those highs there. Yeah, but when the market gives us signs of reversing before we reach our target, we are going to close, because a greedy man does not see there the following day. Yeah, so yeah, that is the concept that I had to learn a hard way. Yeah, after I was in deep profits, and then suddenly the market reversed and swept away my account. So I'm never greedy. I open a lot of position with my sniper entries, and then a slight movement to my favor, I'm in profits. Yeah, and then I exit the market. I don't have to stay in the market the whole day. Yeah, in order to make profits, I can make profits within 30 minutes, and then I'm out of the market. Yeah, now after some time, now our $20 is in $40 there. So we wanted to reach our target there, where is that arrow there, because we could now have now taken those highs. Those are the inner buildings, those inner structures there, yeah? Because now after an impulsive move, we expect a retest to come and then a continuation, yeah? So that retest can be too destructive, and again we can now be back to break even, yeah? So we are in $60, and now we have already flipped it from the 20 to 60, and we are almost touching that arrow there. So I'm going now to close this trade, because a greedy man does not see the other day, my friends, yeah? So let us now close here, so that we can have another opportunity in the market. So we have closed here, yeah? Now we have closed here, yeah? Yeah. Okay, now let us go and zoom and find other opportunities there. Now our account, now we are in profits. Remember, we started with $45. Now we are in $60. Okay, so we have another opportunity here. We are in $64 here. Now this is the best, yeah? Now our target is to flip, because we are not in the session and we have this trend line build of liquidity. You know how I usually trade with I'm a stop loss hunter trader, yeah, and I'm a liquidity trader, yeah. So I like hunting those the liquidity where the market is going towards, yeah. Remember, the 95% of traders usually trade this the basics. That is why they are losing the money. So as the 5% profitable trader, you should know how to trade and think outside the box, yeah. So we are going to find an opportunity here, because the market is dropping, and this is a GBPUSD. The market is dropping. Now we are going to find an opportunity here, because we are in this super resistance area there. You've seen each and every time that we are in this place here, we are reacting off from that area, and we have this big these are big candlestick here. So we are going to look for an opportunity to flip that 60 to at least 100, and then the next trade we are going to take now, based on that trend line that I have drawn, yeah. Now we have this an armor here in this place that I've highlighted here. Now we'll be waiting for a formation of a double bottom, so that we can trade and take the highs of that the a W pattern they are forming. So by doing so, we could have now flipped now our 60 to maybe 100, so that we can take the trade the previous day, yeah, during the session, because we are not in the session at this time, yeah. So the market can be consolidating for quite a long time, yeah. So we have our M pattern forming already, and now I'm going to highlight where I'm going to take off my profits from, because the market has reached we have our first area there. We have an armor there, and from the 1 minute I have an order block there. So I'm going now to enter the market there and target that place where I have placed that my take profit area, so that we can flip this the 60 to 100, so that tomorrow we can now finish this account with the target of liquidity based on that trend line that have drawn there, yeah. Okay, so we have flipped it to 100. So I'm going to close at this place here, because we have already reached our target area there. We have already reached our target area there, yeah. Okay, you can see it. Now we are going to close. So now is on Friday, and it is 1 p.m, yeah. So this is London, and New York will be coming soon, yeah. So this is where now it gets interesting, yeah. So the other day, you remember how I told you about this build of liquidity at this place here, yeah. Now we are going to attack this stop loss of these people who are in this trade based on this trend line in the New York, yeah. Now this is 301. This is New York session, yeah. After we have had an impulsive move in the market, yeah, of course we are going to have a correction, yeah. So we are going to attack the market. Full margin as always. We are the haste masters and we fear nothing, yeah. So why am I entering the market at full margin here? Because the first thing, we have this trend line liquidity, yeah. So after a breakout, we always expect a retest and then a trend continuation, yeah. So we are going to trade that retest, yeah. So after entering the trade, after some time, I was deep in profits, and will be making a lot of stories as I explain. Remember, it is now 321. These $300 have only come in place in only 20 minutes. Yeah, in 20 minutes have accumulated $300. Yeah, so in New York session, most of the time when we have a basic trade in the market whereby everybody is saying this is a market based on support or resistance, and everybody is going to jump in the market. Yeah, so during the session, the market movers are going to grab the liquidity in those areas there. Yeah, so that is why when you hold too much your profits, after some time the market is going to reverse. Yeah, because the market cannot go the way you want it to go. Yeah, so we are going now to attack the stop loss of these traders who entered this market based on this breakout of this our weekly trend line there. Yeah, so it is 324 and we are already in $400. Yeah, now you have seen the volume that comes with this the pullbacks. Yeah, so that is why I usually use them to get my sniper entries. Yeah, so I've not gone into details because everything is explained in my haste effect sniper guide. Yeah, so that is why today I've not took much of my time to explain and emphasize these strategies because everything is on my haste effect sniper guide. Yeah, so if you want the same results, it is now 325 and we are in profits. We are almost in $500 profit. Now this is the trade that we are going to take to 500. Yeah, so everything is in my haste effect sniper guide. Now it is a 332 and we are in $600 profit. Now you've seen the volume that comes with the session and you've seen the power of waiting for this retest because they come with a lot of volume and they happen faster. Yeah, so that is what I was trying to tell you earlier when I had this trend line formed earlier. Yeah, before I took this trade. Yeah, so everything else, all these my strategies are recorded in the haste effect sniper guide. So if you want it, remember the book is on an offer for the first month. Yeah, once we finish the first month, our book will be selling at $100. Yeah, for the haste masters. That is the only way that I'm going to offer my mentorship program so that I can reduce the bulk of activities that I should be doing as the haste masters, because I have a lot of activities to be doing. So if this one is going to ask me, oh, I don't know how to do this, I don't want everybody has his own problem. Yeah, so the haste effect sniper guide is going to guide you from basic candlestick analysis to all these the sniper entries that I usually have here. So today I have not inserted the pictures that I used in getting these trades here. Yeah, now it is a 333 and already we are in a 600 and above. Yeah, and our equity is running at 790, almost 800. Yeah, so you've seen the power that comes with this entry strategy here, and our target is to reach $1,000 so that we can now exit outside the market. Now our equity is running at $800. We are almost getting to $1,000, and this is the pair that I love trading most. Now you've seen how we have had a sniper, a baddest sniper there with full margin, and yeah, so we are going to target those highs. You've seen how after we have had a breakout of that our trend line there, a breakout, a retest. Now a lot of people jumped in that trade there. Yeah? Now we are going to trade this stop loss hunter, yeah, or to grab the liquidity in that area there. Yeah, but before we get to that area, now here is another trick here. Yeah, so we are almost in this area of resistance. Yeah, so when we zoom in, you've seen how from this daily the market has been we have a super resistant area there. Yeah, so the market can easily reverse from that area there. Yeah, so in order for me to achieve my $1,000, so I had to add other powerful positions there so that in a slightest move we can achieve our target and stay outside the market, because you've seen from our daily time frame that is an area of resistance. We have resistance coming, and after you have seen these big impulsive moves in the market, a deep a pullback is to come. Yeah, a pullback is to follow. Yeah, so we have opened the market with a powerful lots there, and hopefully the market is not remember, if you open with the bigger lots there and then you have a a deep pullback, the market, this trade can easily blow your account because you have entered with a large lot size than the previous ones that you opened. So they can actually uh, take a lot of your profits, yeah, if they go against you, yeah. So you've seen now the market is the momentum, this momentum that we had initially is now slowly dying, yeah. So because we are in this area of resistance, we are like we are left with the almost $50 to 70 there, so that we can reach our $1,000 profit and close this trade, yeah. I think now my friend is very happy, yeah. Now the reason that has made me to flip his account is because he is one of the committed students that I have in my haste effects sniper guide, oh, in my haste effects academy, yeah. So I usually have the private mentorship for those who really want to invest in knowledge, yeah. Remember, I'm not going to have a private session with you if you are not ready to be helped, yeah. So if you are ready to have my private classes, I am in a position to help you, yeah? Now, and now the market is reversing here, and we can easily now blow this account because we have opened with powerful lot size. We have used a standard lot, yeah, in that area there. Remember, a standard lot, you are going to lose 10 pips against you. Now we are back into 600 there. Now that is the bad thing that comes with opening with the large positions, yeah. So by now I was almost blowing this account, yeah. So the market came and my equity was left at 200, yeah. Now it has now reacted off. Remember how I usually tell you, yeah, after you have had an impulsive move, you are going to have a retest and then a trend continuation, yeah. So the market has come to this and has respected our support flow once again. Now the next thing, we are going to have this power that is going to push, and now we have gotten to our now let us enter again so that we can reach our $1,000 profit. Now after the market has come to our support flow, now we had power coming into the market, which led to the breaking that small resistance there. But because we have not fully reached our target, we are going to open a standard lot here so that a slightest move in the market in profit can make us into profit. And then 900 is not equal to 1,000, yeah. So $1,000 slaps different than 919. Whoa, okay, we are going now to open the last one, yeah, and collect these cents, yeah. Now I opened again with a standard lot, yeah. And remember, I'm risking because we are in this area of super resistance, yeah. You've seen from the daily we are in an area of super resistance, so the market can reverse from there in any given time. So that is why I was entering with a small position, so that a slight movement in profits, I can achieve my $1,000 profit and stay outside the market, because the market can easily reverse from that area. And you have seen that the market is trying to form an M pattern. Have you seen it? Yeah, we have a formation of an M pattern, meaning the market is not able to break above that area, yeah? So the market is not able to form an higher high, it is forming an lower high, yeah. So I almost at this place I almost felt bad, yeah, but now the market is coming into profits, and yeah, hopefully, yeah, okay, we have an M formation forming here, meaning the market wants to reverse from this area here, yeah. But then now okay, let us first get to $1,000 so that we can continue, yeah. Okay, now we can confidently now close, yeah. Yeah, and finally we have flipped our account from 8 to 1,000, yeah. So today I've had a lot of stories, and because all these strategies are in the haste effects sniper guide, so if you want them, Yeah, and you've seen how now the M pattern has reversed and the market has once again broke our resistant flow. Now meaning the market is yet to reverse. Yeah. So apart from the sniper entry, you have also seen the sniper exit. Panditing. Peace out.